Hello English learners, welcome to today's English video. We are going to talk about the difference between two phrases that often confuse learners. I don't have or I haven't. What is the difference? I don't have is used to indicate that you possess something or do not possess something. It's often followed by a noun. I haven't is used to indicate that something has not happened up to the present moment. It's followed by a past participle. Now let's try. Please like this video if you found it helpful and share it with friends. One, I time to play. Time is a noun, so we have to use don't have. Two, I seen that movie yet. Seen is a past participle, so we have to use haven't. 3. I been to Europe. Been is a past participle, so we have to use haven't. 4. I a book to read. Book is a noun, so we have to use don't have. 5. I eaten sushi before. Eaten is a past participle, so we have to use haven't. 6. I any money. Money is a noun, so we say don't have. 7. I done my homework. Done is a past participle, so we say haven't. 8. I a pet. A pet is a noun, so we say don't have. Please subscribe for more content and let me know what topic should I cover next.